Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've opened the image. Now protect the original by duplicating the background and converting that copy to a smart object so every edit stays reversible. Once done, pull up the info and histogram panels to watch highlights and RGB clipping while you work. Next, choose Filter Camera Raw Filter and reduce highlights and exposure slightly to recover blown areas. You're aiming to restore detail without flattening contrast. Make sure to stop before the face looks flat. Subtlety preserves texture and form. Now focus on the face. Add a second camera raw or curves adjustment layer and use a layer mask or range mask to confine the correction to the skin. Once selected, lower highlights and whites, then raise shadows minimally to keep depth. You're shaping light rather than erasing it. If highlights remain stubborn, create a new layer set to luminosity blend mode and use a soft 10-30% opacity brush to paint sampled darker skin tones over hotspots. This smooths abrupt transitions while preserving color. Finish by refining masks and blending. Mask edges can be softened with a 1.3px Gaussian blur or painted with a low opacity soft brush to avoid halos. Once done, toggle the corrected layer on and off to judge impact, then reduce layer opacity until the face looks natural in the scene. If you notice color shifts, clip a selective color or curves adjustment to the correction layer and nudge midtones and highlights. This preserves skin tone while neutralizing any unwanted warmth or coolness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.